Hello everyone, this is Mark. In this video, we will follow the process to check the fiber laser wider in step 2. The first thing we need to check the laser was enabled or not. Laser now was not enabled. We enable it. Okay. And for this security lock, we need to check. Lock the lock to the mantelpiece and pull the handle onto the metal plate. We'll see the security lock turn green. That means the connectivity was good. Then we look at the monitor. Just now we check the security lock and we can see the laser alarm signal is no problem, and the water cooler and the pressure turns green. That's good. In any case, if the gas input signal was not green, we need to check the pressure need to larger than 0.5 ampere. This is a gas valve, and we can see the readout. We need to make it larger than 0.15, and this knob to control like this. When it's good enough, we press down to lock. Also, the power supply status we need to take care. The 24 for the controller voltage and 15 volt voltage for the handle, and the status is good enough. In next video we'll make the test run. Thank you very much. Bye bye.